girl. Whoa. She had that in her mouth pretty good. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Is that kind of gross? Look at it all over her face. Here, let's get a little off her face there.
Is that light too bright?
Pretty bright, but she doesn't seem to mind. You ready? Liza. Huh? Just gonna put it on here. I don't even know when he's going down. Well, she kind of seems to be swallowing it. Good girl.